darating kasi yung breakthrough mo, hindi yan sa feelings eh. Sa action yan na ginagawa mo.
With all your heart that you are pouring out,
Day after day,
you will be guided very well.
waiting for good news.
Don't count failures until matutunan mo yung message.
All of our needs, our hopes and our dreams are waiting on an open door.
All of those things that can hinder you, hindi mo na naiisip yun eh. Bakit? Dahil gigil ka.
Wiser than
Gigil ka sa success.
And after all of the lessons we've learned, we're gonna make it, gonna make this a beautiful